Hello everyone. So today we are in the Scandinavian region in a beautiful country, Norway. So today we are here in Oslo with one of our client, Markus, who has been building Propti. So hi Markus, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Perfect. So Markus, I just wanted to firstly understand more about you and what Propti is all about.
Yeah, Propti is a platform to help real estate developers to launch their platforms, basically. So we want to make it easier for developers to have a proper platform that provides different functionalities to really push out the project that they want to deliver.
Right. And I think real estate has been a very growing market in the Scandinavian region, especially when you talk about Norway. I think there are a lot of different ways the houses are built. You have wooden houses, plus you have more concrete structures coming in.
Yeah.
So what has been the core inspiration behind this idea? Because I think there are still a couple of platforms doing that. So what makes Propti different from all these platforms?
Right. Yeah, I think that in Norway we still have this traditionally market. So a lot of different platforms use the same techniques to sell houses, which is a pretty basic one. And the thinking about Propti is that we want to build on the foundation of how you sell property in Norway, and then just build a platform that can deliver a whole different experience for the end user to actually go into the different listings and have that premium feel.
Right. And I think by leveraging technologies like artificial intelligence, the 3D modeling and entire walkthroughs, I think we are leveraging a lot of different innovative technologies, which would definitely put this platform apart from what anybody else is doing.
Right.
So yeah, that's great. So Markus, would like to know, what has been your journey so far with us, and most particularly, of course, you have been speaking with a lot of different agencies. So why particularly did you choose us for being your development partners?
Right. We did some research and talked to some different companies, and we wanted to develop this software as a service platform, which is a pretty big task. So it's not like we can just go to anyone. So we had some different conversations with different companies, but when we found a contact person from you on LinkedIn, we had some initial meetings, and we understood quite well that you are able to actually create the foundation that we need for the platform to be scalable. We had some other competitors that gave us, let's say, easy solutions that wouldn't be very scalable for us to grow in this market with. So that's where you kind of outdid all the other competitors and really gave us trust in the solution, basically.
Well, that's extremely great to hear, and I think that's one of the core of every product has to always be in the foundation. And I think in the calls that we have been discussing, we were always discussing about the scalability, because I think the scale that you want to aim the product for defines the sort of foundation that we want to build in for this entire system. So yeah, and thank you for that. And how has been your experience so far working with us in terms of the entire team and the structure, the processes? How has been that?
It's been really great and really transparent and easy to work with the different people in the different developing stages. So it's always been transparent and easy to contact you guys. You always are super quick to answer, and it's structured in a way that it doesn't need to be too formal. So I can send one of you guys a text message and just ask for something quick, and you can do the same for me. And it's just about getting things done efficiently and structured. And for the presentation of the solution and the workflow that you have provided, it's really structured and really easy for me to know which part of the development phase we're in. So it's easy for me to kind of plan ahead and provide you guys for the information, things that you need.
No, that's great, and I think what we have built up is more of a very dynamic and a bespoke team that is very passionate about their work. So for us, the information is just a message away. Like you said. Plus, of course, I mean the structure how we have planned every department or every person has its own KRAs, and which is very closely knitted, and it's not a lot of bureaucracy in the system that clients needs to suffer, because sometimes with a larger company there comes a lot of bureaucracy wherein the client sometimes suffers and things delay, and I think what we have inculcated in the company is to always avoid that. So I mean, great to hear. Perfect. Thank you so much for hosting me here in Oslo. It was pleasure meeting with you.
Oh, likewise.
Thank you much.